Seamlessly blend colors. Get a seamless blend of multiple colors of light at the same time in a single LED smart light strip. The colors flow together naturally, casting a diffused rainbow of light. Colorful smart lighting. Instantly set the mood for any occasion with 16 million colors. Transform any room for an immersive entertainment experience, create the perfect atmosphere for a get-together with friends, or complement your home decor. Bluetooth compatible, BLE, Philips Hue with Bluetooth is the easiest way to get started with smart lighting. Set the mood instantly with Bluetooth-enabled LED bulbs and the Hue Bluetooth app, which allows you to control up to 10 lights in a room. Ultimate flexibility. Place your Bluetooth Lightstrip extension along kitchen cabinets and staircases, highlight decorative pieces, and more. Easily extend by adding up to 8 extensions or shorten by trimming to the right size on the designated marks. Premium matte sleeve. The Gradient Lightstrip features a premium silicone sleeve with a milky white finish that provides softly diffused light and blends in neatly wherever the lightstrip is placed. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Works as expected, simple daisy chaining of extensions and the app is nice. If you're going around corners, my suggestion would be to take off the adhesive tape that comes with the strip and instead use the 3M Commander outdoor clips. This way you can get tighter corners without the strip starting to come off if it's on a TV that gets warm. See my pictures for context.